Okay, so for this one, I'm going to give myself some space to work. But we have the formula S of t equals P times 1 plus R over N to the NT power. We have identified, it looks like clearly or appropriately, 3,500 is our deposit. The interest rate is 4.6%, so 0.046 is the decimal version. And it's semi-annually, so that's where we get our 2 times a year. And we put that in our calculator. We should get that 57 or 5270.2. So that's going to be, what do you say, 3,500 times parentheses 1 plus R, so 0.046, divided by N, which is 2, to the power of N times T. So this is for how long? What is that? Get this out of the way here. 9 years, there it is. So it's to the 2 times 9, which is 18 power. And that does confirm that 5270.23 is where I would have gone with it. This is the nearest penny. It would have been 0.23. So the last part of this is, what is the annual percentage yield for the savings account? The APY, annual percentage yield, is the actual or effective annual percentage rate, which includes all compounding in the year. So one way to do this is just to look at this from a dollar's perspective, having a dollar. So if you had $1 times, so 1's your principal, 1 plus our R, which is 0.046, over N 2 times a year, to the 2 times 1 power. You do it for 1 year. So that's the annual percentage or the yield for a year. So we look at this number. Let me see what I get out of this. 1 plus, I'll do my parentheses. Parentheses 1 plus 0.046 divided by 2 to the power of 2. No. Helps when I hit the power button like that. Doesn't look right to me. To the power of 2. And I get 1.04659. Now they want this to 3 decimal places. So the idea here now is you take that 1.04659 and you're going to subtract out what you started with, which is $1. So you end up with 0.04659, and to the nearest 3 decimals, it's going to be 653. That's what it should be. Okay, hope that helps.